Menteri Rangba Sarkar Jala Conrad Konggal Soma loyo kalat ban Sakhi dalade ke le niam tenrai ki khon ki hajar ke seny raj jongka raj Ialong kaba kate ke lempung le niam ya kabla tip kum ke le niam Behdeiñkhlam kabla pelong hagi pras ngi lenter bat kabla kut no ha ka spotrik nailar ahaja aflai ha kate ke le niam jongka raj Ialong Conrad Konggal Soma loyo pediang ke dorkas balapun kre abat kerpat lagi bor bodi pe ya kate ke le niam maka sarkar jong u kan kersan lem lingba da ka penmang ki skim sarkar mentei penbha ya kate ke lempung le niam kentup nadu kiran san mensyong le ki nongsha khot sobha ki surok ki lenti ki singkin bat ki we ki jenon kam ki basha ahmad nalor menteri rangba la Sakhi langru da ka jingdon usmbut menteri rangba uba snyau bhalang dhar ki nong thau ai na rilum jaintia ba kentup ya uba Wailat ki sela MLA ke Jowai constituency ka kong Santa Mary sela MLA jongka Saipung Sutengah constituency ki officer ne kita trikam sarkar bofer bat ki wei
kong Santa Mary Shilla, our honorable MLA from Umroi constituency, and all the other dignitaries who are present, our CEM of the District Council, and all the traditional heads and all the other dignitaries who are present here on the dais. This is my first visit officially to the Sien Ialong, the Behdeiñkhlam festival. I have not come here before. I would like to first of all thank the organizing committee, the president and secretary for having invited me here for this wonderful program. And at the very outset, I would like to wish all and each and every one who's present out here a very happy Behdeiñkhlam festival. I will not take much time because I know that all of you are here to celebrate the festival. But I would like to just add that as a government, we are very keen to ensure that the government supports the different traditional programs and festivals of the people of our state. And in the future also, we will continue to give whatever support that we can so that the traditional practices, the different festivals are all celebrated in the best possible manner. And so, as has been expressed by the office of the Sien Ialong, as well as by the Honorable Local MLA, Ma Wailad, I would like to assure you that whatever has been mentioned in this memorandum, to put up a gallery out here, to put up a public area, also to put up the toilets and the different washrooms and all the other facilities that will be required so that you can celebrate the Behdeiñkhlam in a much better manner. I assure you that the government will give full support to build up the infrastructure out here. At the same time, the local MLA has mentioned to me that he would require the road to be built, the road that comes from the main road all the way here to Ialong Park, and the Honorable MLA has been very particular that this road and another few roads in this village need to be developed. Let me assure you, I have discussed this matter with our PWD department that we will be making this road also, and we commit that this road also will be constructed for the benefit of the area. So without taking much time, I would want you to continue with the festival. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Behdeiñkhlam festival. And once again, thank you all for inviting me here to this program. Thank you very much. Kublai, Mutela, and Jai Hind.